time. We are still at the time we had seen previously, the days of the week. Now let's learn more about how we express time. For example, we have the days. We have today, tomorrow. So this is a wave. This is the time wave. On the time wave, we have time, and time is composed from azi means today. We can say azi or the longer form astăzi. So today, if we go in the future, let's look in the future. Mâine. Mâine is tomorrow. The day after tomorrow is poi mâine. Poi mâine. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. So, let's look into the past. Ieri is yesterday. Alaltă ieri is the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Deci, let's see some sentences. Azi este luni. Mâine este marți. In the past, ieri a fost duminica. A fost is in the past, the verb to be. We will learn it. Alaltă ieri a fost sâmbătă.